Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video, I am going to create a double spread layout using the gorgeous scrapbooking workshop kit called In Full Bloom by Close to My Heart. I am a Close to My Heart maker consultant. This is a new release from the mini catalog for March and April of 2022. I am telling you to pick up this gorgeous workshop kit. I am going to create these two layouts, so a double spread layout. I will follow the instructions about 85-90%. I always have to put my own little twist. Now let's take a look at the products within this workshop kit that I have already gathered and trimmed the paper, and I'll go over them real quickly, and then I will put you on fast forward and do a voice. We have 3 photographs. One is portrait, and it's larger than what's in our sample. And that's a-okay. This is where I say that you sometimes have to put your own little twist and tweak it a little bit to make it work for the memory that you are documenting. These 2 photographs look like they're 3 by 3. You could easily use 4 by 4, or you could use 6 by 4. Mine are cut down a little bit. I think this is more like 5 1/4 by 4. For those 2 photographs. I'm going to place my photographs over here to the left. You're going to need texture paste. They recommend that you use an opaque matte. I have the Tim Holtz that we sell, these little jars in the matte and the gloss, but I only have the gloss. My matte dried up, so I have to purchase some more, and I can still make this work. And it is the Texture Paste Transparent Gloss. And I am going to use Tim Holtz Distressed Ink Peacock Feather to color the texture paste. And that's exactly what it says in the instructions. And then, of course, I have my palette knife. I know over here on the left, you can see the succulents. So the instructions call for 3 of these succulents to punch those out of your die cut, which I've already punched all of these out, and put them in an envelope. Then you want 1 double leaf, 1 single leaf, and 1 butterfly. And that's from your die cuts, okay? Then for your papers, it suggests using both the 12 by 12 of this pattern paper as your foundation, okay? I didn't use the full as suggested in the instruction because this paper here, you are to cut 6.5 by 12. Which means you only need, if you were to butt these up, exactly 5.5 by 12. But I cut this 6 by 12, and it left me this nice strip here to use later on another layout. I won't be the left side of the foundation or base layer for my layout. This is the right-hand side. So we only have a small strip here, which is 3.5 by 12. Now, if you wanted to save a little bit of this side, you certainly can. And you would definitely have to mat your 2 sheets on a cardstock base. That would be your main base if you wanted to do that. I chose not to do that. I'm going to follow the instructions and use this whole paper here as my base. This strip will go on this side along with some other stuff that we need to add. You're going to need to get out your full sheet of stickers. You're going to need to use your 12 by 12 Lagoon paper to mat your photographs. And then from the pre-cut die cut sheets, yeah, you need the one that says Project1. So there's this one that's 3/4 of a 12 by 12. So I'm going to punch all those out. This one will get saved for Project 3. And then there's another sheet that has just these two, and I just punched those out. They're real easy. You're also going to need your stencil that comes with the kit.
I assembled my 2 pattern papers for the left side of the layout. Then I'm getting out the sticker sheet for this collection and using the film strip as instructed to divide the 2 pattern papers together. Then I'm going to bring in my photograph, which I matted on the Lagoon cardstock that comes within the kit. Next, I am going to arrange those flower die cuts along the left side of the photograph, and then I'm going to place one right underneath the photograph. The way that I arrange my flowers on this left side of the double page layout is a little bit different than the instructions, and that's a-okay. Put your own touch, make it work for you, but I still use the flowers for project number 1. Next, I arrange the black succulent pieces that are from the black paperboard die cut sheet that is included in this kit. Once I finish arranging those, I will add the scallop die cut piece and tag up in the upper right hand corner, but I do move it over to the left corner of the photograph, and I ink them up using the pewter ink from Close to My Heart. I added the butterfly, then I added that sticker with the heart, and then I'm showing where I added the butterfly. Then outside of my kit, I used Nuva Mica Mist in Silver Mist to add some splatters. And then in the center of some of the flowers, I added the Close to My Heart Silver Glitter Gems. Again, those were not provided in the kit. Now let's start creating the right side of the double spread layout. For the sake of time and for drying purposes, I used my modeling paste, the Tim Holtz Distressed Ink and Peacock Feathers, and the stencil, and added those lines you see in the lower right-hand corner of the photograph. And oh yeah, and I added some lines in the right-hand side of the first photograph over by that flower die cut that I just added and those succulents that I'm adding now to this layout. And then next I bring in the butterflies, and then I'm going to bring in 2 stickers from the sticker sheets. Oh yeah, and I add this flower here, and then here comes the word sticker sheet that says Just the Sweetest. And then I'm going to have like a banner sticker sheet that says Love Every Moment. And I do ink that one up using the pewter ink from Close to My Heart. From my scrappy stash, I added the word gifts. And then I also added the splatters using the Mica Nuva Mist in Silver Smoke. And then I added some of the Silver Glitter Gems from Close to My Heart, and those are not provided in the kit. So if you do not have these and you have not yet picked up the kit, or you would like to add this to your kit, come shop with me. Oh, and then I inked the entire edge of my 12 by 12 layout using the pewter ink from Close to My Heart. I am just pointing out that I added the Silver Glitter Gems from Close to My Heart. I'm going to put these 2 layouts side by side. You will see a glare from my light from the left-hand side, so I don't leave it there long. Then I'm going to show you each of the pages by themselves one more time. I appreciate you all. Remember to give me a thumbs up be a subscriber of my channel, and most of all, get out your scrappy supplies, document those memories in a fun, creative way. And a bonus is, if you are not a customer of Close to My Heart, I would love to have you as a customer of Close to My Heart so that you can come over and shop with me and pick up these wonderful, beautiful products that Close to My Heart provides. And here is the link. We'll see you next time. Bye.